Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch the bonus content related to the episode 2 of the season 6 of The Expanse. I made one video, for the bonus content which was related to the episode 1, which was about Drummer and her art, all of her relationships and all. Her giving up finally on Naomi, the possibility of having a love relationship with Naomi. All of that, and that was so cool. I truly appreciated that bonus content. I have some things, to say about how it's put right there on Amazon. The fact that it's so hidden, that I had trouble to know that it exists and also to search for it, that even when I made a video about it, days after that, some people like you, some fans, if you are watching reaction videos about The Expanse, it means that you are fans of The Expanse. You didn't know that this bonus content existed. It's a little issue, I think, to hide it so much that people don't know its existence, don't know how to find it. Even when you're telling them to find it, they have trouble to find it. And also the fact that the full screen is not working for me at all on my computer, on my screen, on my television. It's not working at all. And also the fact that you didn't put English subtitles for them. That's bad, in a way, because, okay, you can't put all of the different languages, for the audio and for the subtitles. I get it. But at least the English subtitles would have been a good thing, for the persons like me who are not having English, as a birth language. We can be sure that we're not missing anything. It would have been great. No matter what, I loved the first bonus content, which was about Drummer. It was really like cutscenes, for me. I think one of you told me on the comments that the production, and the writers, they said that it was not cutscenes, it was really thought as a bonus content, something in addition of the episode. Maybe it's gonna be the case for the next bonus content, but for this one, it could have been included into an usual episode. It wouldn't have shocked me, and it was not, a new story, something that we didn't know anything about, something really new. It was really more feeling like a zoom on the character, on Drummer, like we were going deeper with her and how she is right now feeling and how she evolved also during some times. So yes, it felt more like a zoom and more like a cutscene than really like a new story, a new different story. We'll see if it's gonna be the case or not for the other ones. For this one, this bonus content number 2, I don't know what is the subject of it, if we're gonna be with one character like it was the case for the first one, or are we gonna be with one particular situation? Is it really related to the episode 2 or not, for the chronology? I don't know. We'll see, and I'm gonna say that right now. Remember, like usually, if you want to have my Patreon to support me, it's the best way to support me, and if you can't, it's okay, you can just subscribe, like, comment, it's also helping me. Let's go for this bonus content. The full screen, maybe it's just a technical thing which is not working for me. The English subtitles, really, I think that it's not so much to ask. Do I need to show you again how to find this bonus content? I'm gonna show it to you again just in case. When you are at the end of the episode or at the beginning of the episode, it's the same. You are clicking right there on X-ray, you click, and with all of the different options right there, you are clicking on bonus content. Right there is in French, contenu bonus. You are clicking on it and you have the videos right there of this bonus content. This first one was about Drummer, we already watched it together, And this second one is about Chris Ren, is this you? Full screen is not working. No English subtitles. No.
The doctrine of one ship describes a system of unities between home and society, work and rest, fear and hope.
Sounds like we're in the same boat. We've been dealing with satellite blinding and chaff attacks on a daily basis.
But Free Navy is clearly up to something.
I hate that name. But yes, they clearly are.
When are we?
They can't go toe-to-toe with us. But if they try and fortune smiles and we capture any of the traitors who gave Inaros my ships.
Bad news first. The trick question is all pretty bad.
No.
Global weather projections are not very encouraging. Temperatures in the South Asian trade zone are expected to drop by more than 30 degrees.
Okay, so it was before episode 1.
Alone, air and water, killing us. We're all militaries now.
They use
It's weird to
thermonuclear
hear you
warheads
say
to melt
that.
the loose rock into a
You know
solid
it,
surface
but
before
for
they
you
spun it up.
to
Maybe
say
we
it.
should do that again. What's the old saying? Nuke them till they glow and shoot them in the dark.
I'm glad to spend that time with Chris Ren. I miss our
What?
Admiral Sadiq got stuck in conference with his staff. He apologizes profusely and says he'll be with you in 15 minutes.
He's gonna make her wait? My queen is not waiting for anyone. What? Do you have health issues, Chris Ren?
Wake me up in 10 minutes.
You can't let her rest.
Mama, I know how busy you are, but I just had to let you know. I started a garden, so you don't have to worry about us, okay? I'll make sure the whole family has fresh vegetables to eat. Love you.
I'm sorry. News about your family. She wants you to know that they're okay.
Kiki, it's nice to imagine people on Earth doing whatever they can to help each other. Even just a little. I want you to make me a salad from your garden. I'm sure it will be delicious. Let's not tell your mom we spoke. I love you, child.
Oh, you needed that, Chris Ren. Maybe it hurts, but I think that you need that. To remember what life is.
Doctor, the medication we discussed. Please have it waiting in my quarters. Keep this between us.
Mm-hmm.
Tell Sadiki to move his ass. Nothing not to do.
I said it. My queen is not waiting for anyone. It was cool. Maybe they don't consider this bonus content, you know, as cut scenes. And I can understand why, because it's not like you had an action and you had to make it shorter so you can have your 40 minutes for your episode. So maybe that's why you're not considering them as cut scenes, because these scenes together, these 5-6 minutes together, it's to tell a little story about a character, a little zoom on one character. I'm gonna come back to that later. Maybe it's because of that that you don't consider it as cutscenes. But for me, the one about Drummer and this one about Chris Ren, they could have been into your regular episodes, it wouldn't have shocked me. They are not story for itself, new things, you know, on itself. It's really, yes, more a zoom on one character. It was the case for Drummer and her art issues during the last episode, and right there for Chris Ren and Fighting for Earth, you know, like if I have to give a name for this episode, it's Chris Ren Fighting for Earth, with all of this information about the environment, what is happening right there on Earth, this information about fighting against the Berters, the fact that she considers that they are like Berters right now. To hear Chris Run say that, it's different than during the first episode when they said that, you know, the Berters and other people, when I said that myself. Someone like Chris Run saying that, it feels different, you know. So, you know, the environment, the Berters, but also fighting for Earth, the reasons why they are fighting for Earth. Right there, you know, with that message coming from Kiki, it's really to remind her what real life is, to have a family, to have people that you love being okay and living happily, peacefully. All of these things, you know, about the fact that she has a garden, she has animals and all of that, she can have all of that because she's on Earth. So it's a nice reminder also of that. You're fighting for your family, you're fighting for Kiki to have a future on Earth, to live in peace. And the fact that Kiki is sending you that video so you know that they are all okay, so you don't have to worry about them, I found that sweet also, you know. She knows that you worry about them and that you are fighting for them, having them on mind. It's so sweet, you know. That moment was really sweet, was a real reminder of why you are fighting for Kiki, for her future, and also what real life was before all of this war. You know, I said it during the first episode when she was like that, Chris Run, when she was dreaming, you know, resting like that. It reminded me during one of the first episodes when she was on the roof. Do you remember that moment when she was resting on the roof, watching the stars like that? I don't know why, I'm thinking a lot about that moment for Chris Run, when she had the time to rest. And when she was just living almost a normal life with her family. She's close to her family a lot. We saw her being with her husband during so many times. We saw her checking with her family so many times. We know that she's close to her family and that they count that much for her, so it's great also to have that reminder of the fact that Chris Run, she's fighting for her family. It was cool. It was even more cool because during this episode I missed her. I mean, during the episode 2, the only moment that we had with her, it was when she tried to manipulate Monica, or at least to tell Monica to make manipulative news. So I was not a fan of it. I told you so on the review. I explained to you why. Because of the fact that even if I understand why she wants that to show to Berters that they are truly killing people and that it's bad, okay, but I don't want that to be a way for you to forget that in fact you killed also Berters and you did also bad stuff to Berters. So that's why I found that bad. And we had only that, you know, with Chris Run during the episode 2, so I'm glad to have this little thing with her right now. Okay, it was cool! As the bonus content number 2. Are we gonna have them, you know, really until the end? Like, are we gonna have a bonus content related to the episode 8, the final one? Is it gonna be like, they're gonna keep the epilogue, I don't know how to say it in another way, for the bonus content? We'll see. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today for The Expanse. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.